Hi, I'm Wai Lun, a Year 2 student currently pursuing a diploma in Immersive Media from the School of Infocom Technology. And you're watching, of course, MP, where I'll be showing you what a day in the life of a MP student in my course is like. Okay, since you might not know what Immersive Media is about, let me give you a brief rundown of what we learned in my course. Immersive Media is all about designing immersive user experiences and creating engaging content through the use of augmented, virtual, or even mixed realities. We are equipped with technical and creative skills such as coding, modeling, user experience, and user interface designing. All of these are to help us to better bridge design and technology. Okay, enough talking, time to go!
The first lesson of the day is Immersive Technology Development, which is a module that provides an overview of emerging technologies with an emphasis on the interactive and immersive aspects and the impact they have on users. Today, our lecturer is going through the topic of teleporting in virtual reality, where we will learn how users move in VR without having to walk physically. Here, we are using the Unity engine to craft the environment. It is really a fresh topic to us and we are all very excited about it. Keeping up with the latest immersive experiences and technology developments is essential to stay current and relevant in this fast-moving industry.
Since I have the time now, let me share about my personal experience joining Immersive Media. So, why did I join this course? Well, I heard about the Immersive Media course when I was planning my post-secondary school path, and the course immediately caught my attention. Using technologies such as augmented and virtual reality, we can create engaging content that transports our users to other worlds beyond the confines of just a flat screen. Sounds interesting, doesn't it? I'm also a big fan of VR games, so when I found out that my enrollment was successful, it was truly a dream come true. Nothing can top the fact that now I have the opportunity to create my own VR game. Now you must be wondering, besides creating VR games, what career options can we look forward to? Good question. With our course curriculum being closely mapped to the skills framework for both ICT and media sectors, we can explore many up and coming career pathways such as UI UX designer, 3D artist, junior developer, or application developer. Our broad-based skills open up many career opportunities. Alright, time to go for my next class.
Right now, I'm in the Digital Audio Design class. For this module, we will be learning about production techniques of audio and sound effects, ambient sounds, background music, and dialogue. Our task today is to create a short audio clip in our school's very own recording studio with the help of a program called Pro Tools, and this is also known as voice acting. In short, voice acting simply means performing voiceovers to present a character or provide information to an audience. After the recording is done, we will need to post-process it, add in the sound effects, and then we'll be done. An audio story has been created.
After a long day of lessons in MP, I'm heading home now. That will be all for this episode of Course MP, and I hope you enjoy watching a day in my life as an IM student.